Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to Lovable AI. So first open your project in Lovable AI, then click this drop down menu in the top left, then go to settings, then select domains and click add existing domain. So hit this connect domain. And after that, you have to enter your hosting a domain like yourdomain.com, then click continue. So Lovable will provide 2A records, then copy this. Now you have to log into your Hostinger account, go to domain dashboard, and you have to select your domain, then click DNS zone and find an existing A records for @symbol or www dot, then delete them if any. Then click add records and choose type A for host, type the @symbol for your root domain and paste the first IP address in point 2. Then save it. And then you have to add a second A record for host, type www and paste the second IP address in points 2. Then you have to save again. Now you go back to your Lovable, then click done and your domain is now connecting. DNS change may up to take 48 hours, so you can check it with DNS checker organization.com, and if it's green checker, which means that you are good, and that's how you connect your hosting a domain. And this is how this video ends. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in my next video.